The reason why your video got low view isn't the algorithm. You created the content, then published it, and it got low view count. This makes you angry, and you start blaming the YouTube algorithm that it focuses on promoting bigger channel, this and that. Never see the algorithm as your enemy. Trust me, this your best friend. Rather see the algorithm this way, as your audience, and the reason why your video got low view was because the audience aren't impressed with the video. If you think the algorithm makes a content goes viral, then all of YouTube video for it creator would have gotten over millions of views. But no, because we are the algorithm. Creators thinks making a viral video is hard, but the algorithm is only interested in two things that can make you go viral on YouTube: click and watch. The algorithm is a tool that helps push your content to it. Audience, now it's left for them to decide clicking or scrolling past the content.
But we want them to watch this video.
For them to watch this video, they need to click in order to watch it, which will then be counted as view. And in order to watch this video, a first impression must be active to lure their attention, which is a good and effective thumbnail and title. After clicking, they are to watch your video, but if they finds it boring, they will leave. To keep them watching, you need to give them a reason. 1. Front-loading the content. 2. Hook. This is all about hooking your audience right from the intro. Within the first 30 seconds of the video, people tend to lose interest quickly, so it's essential to grab their attention by showcasing your most engaging content at the beginning. This makes the content capture their interest before it fades, giving them insights on what they will gain if they keep watching. Now, we've captured their interest from the start, but we need to keep them watching till the end. A good hook keeps them watching after know what they will gain from your video. A good hook can be the storytelling or a suspense that create curiosity. But a good storytelling must be active, because this is what made them click on the video, wanting to know more. Putting all this together makes them stick to the end of the video, and if they love the content, they are sure to return and tune in to watch more of your video. The chain go like this, from using an effective thumbnail and title to lure their attention. They click to watch, captures their interest within the first 30 seconds. They are now hooked and watch till the end. If it interesting, they return again. And this make you gain views, subscribers, and also makes money. Remember, the algorithm is your best friend that helps you pushes your video to the audience. Start creating as a creator to your audience today. Peace.